All right, guys, so I'm going to start laying out for trusses. This is the roof plan, excuse me, that was sent to us by GR Truss. So this is every single truss that they're sending. We got girders, piggybacks, all kinds of stuff. And then here, this is the Bible right here. This is the booklet. You can see how thick this is. So this is a spec sheet for every single truss on here. So for example, we've got H1. This is the first girder here. Until I find H1. And that's the girder truss right there. It tells you everything you need to know about it. Weight, loads, nailing specifications, all that kind of stuff. It tells you the number of plies. So right here, it tells you a 2-ply, so I know it's a 2-ply girder. We're actually going to pre-assemble that one on the ground and fly that in. And we got another girder there. Girder there, lots of girders in this house. So this is a fairly chopped up roof, but it's gonna look really nice when it's done. Okay, another thing I like to do with all of my trusses, I label them on the plate. So the guys up on the roof don't have to really think about it. It kind of takes the guesswork out of it, right? So if I'm on the ground, I send out girder H1, they know exactly where it goes.